Good morning. Actually, it's good night. I am going to do this video a little later today, so it's actually night, but I think this is so important that I had to make sure I made a good video for you, okay, boys and girls? So here's the video. First of all, when you go into Schoology tomorrow, you will see this. You will see not this, you will see this. Well, actually, this is the calendar, okay? Remember, I told you to go to the calendar and make sure that you look at the dates coming up for the final week. So the final week, we have the mandatory Tuesday Zoom meeting. And I put that on the calendar, so you have to come at 11 o'clock. You have to be there, and then just open it up and then click on the thing. So that's Tuesday at 11 o'clock. I'll give you a bunch of reminders with videos all the way to Tuesday, but you have to come to that last Zoom meeting. We're going to have a fabulous, great time. So if you go to courses and you go to language arts, okay, you scroll down to May, you'll notice I'm adding something for the last 2 weeks. I've run out of things to hold up in front of the camera. I got a few more, but I am taking an attendance question. You see this attendance question? You must answer it from here on out. I am having an attendance question. It will be in there. So it says attendance question must complete. Okay, so for language arts, you will open up and watch the instructional video. Actually, you won't do that. And then you will do nature's firefighters questions, and then do the attendance questions. Okay, for social studies, you will go and do the go down to the date, May 29th, and lo and behold, you have a review video and an assessment. Finish strong, finish strong. And then you, of course, you have the attendance question there. So you'll notice something about the attendance notepad. Here is the slide again. You can look at what is required of you in social studies, and here it goes. And nature's fireworks, do the questions. Chapter 13 review, and I would review, you know why? Because some of those questions might be on the test, and then you take the chapter test, and I'm not gonna, okay? So then we have the peanuts, and you can read this stuff about Dana Patrick. No, he doesn't want a treat. He says I can have two. You got a dog? They're funny. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to remind you about is this. Do you want on your report card a letter grade to appear on your final, or do you want to pass no credit? Many of you have said, hey, Mr. Foster, I've done a great job. I want a letter grade. So you have to have your parent email me. I sent it Infinite Campus. Otherwise, if you don't, you could end up with something on your report card that says either pass, or if you're really doing bad, it would say no grade. So I would think if you did really well, you would want a letter grade. So you have to tell me what you want. Hey, Mr. Foster, I want my letter grade. A or B, C, probably a letter grade. If you're not, then pass. But you have to tell me one or the other, one or the other, one or the other, one or the other, one or the other. Okay? Also, I told you about the parade. I sent that to out to everybody. Okay, the parade. What does it say? Say hello, June 3rd. June 3rd. Say goodbye, okay? So, I got that. I got the Zoom meeting for Tuesday. We're coming down to the end. What do I say? Finish strong. What do I say? Finish strong. Okay? Watch the videos, listen to the messages. Message me on Schoology if you have any questions about anything. If you're going back to do makeup work, give me a message. Say, hey, I did 13.7. Hey, I did 13, so on. So, okay, have a good day. Okay? Okay.